Hi, if you want to connect Figma to Claude AI, all you gotta do is just go ahead to the Claude plugins. So just type claude.com/plugins. It's gonna take you to the Claude plugins. All you gotta do is just search for Figma. Right? And inside, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just download Figma. That way, you can basically use the plugin to access your design. You can access design files, extract components, read tokens, translate to code, bridge design development gap. Okay, so yeah, install the plugin, and you will need an Anthropic API key available from the Anthropic console, and enter your API key in the plugin and start prompting Claude to modify or generate designs within your Figma canvas. So note, as of April 2026, the best experience requires using Claude Code or desktop in combination with the Figma MSP or MCP server. So consider liking this video, subscribing, and start using Figma. See you.